this might be a short film or no film. Try and give Mara's crook foot. As you can see there, she's a bit long in the toe, probably high in the heel. The damage she's done previously, but you've all seen photos of this before, but her feet get better every day in every way. Whether she will stand still, whether the old girl will stand still. Kiss. Got a kiss for me? Have you got a kiss for me? Oh, look at them eyes, huh? Right, we're going to see what we can do, eh? See what we can see. You going to get a look here? That's again. Well, I've got a lot of toe. I can see a lot of heel. A lot of something else that grows there. Got no idea what it is. Standing there. Woo. Camera nearly got kicked. Right, as everybody can see, we've shifted. You stay out of the way, Donnie, please. And we'll see. We shall see if we can get any further this time in my trimming bay. Guess a look, chicken. Come on. Pick him up. Come on. Oh, and rather wrong foot. Alright, I'll go to the other side. Bloody wrong foot. Let's see how we go here. Right, we'll try again, Mars Bar. This one here now, come on, that's a view. Right, what have we got? I don't know if we can see all this here. I got to get it somehow. I don't know how. Hey! Well, I guess that's what you call a fail. I can't believe she went out under that rail, but she did. So she's got a bit of separation anxiety from a horse in the other paddock. Last time we trimmed her, had to bring the other horse down here. I'm not really in any condition to fight horses at the moment. So that was a fail. So I'm going to have to get Pauline to come and hang on to her, probably next week. Good luck, and don't get run over by a horse. Hey, Donnie. See you later. You. Yes, she dives straight out under there.